Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check TikTok friends. Please open the TikTok app. So how will you find your friends? Go in the profile icon and here click to followers. So in the follower section you will see the right side is the friends. So 530 is my friends. So here is the friend list of my TikTok. We will see this is how you will find your friends on TikTok list. You can also add your friends by sync your contacts from the phone. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.